going down by Alexis. How you gonna make this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, wake up so loud.
For some reason, I can't wear my contacts because I've tried on 3 different pairs and they've all been burning my eyes. Even though when I wore them previously, I was completely fine. But it's okay, whatever. We're headed to go do passport renewal and all that stuff. I think I want to do like 10 years. So, you know, we got the wig laid, all things that nature. So, I kind of want, how am I going to get this off my face? I only glued down this side. I didn't glue down this side. Because you can't see that. So, I don't care. But, ooh, girl, I can't see. I really can't see. Like, can't see myself. So, I'm just going to continue to look in the lens. And then we'll get the show on the road. But, I want to do like a light beat, not a full beat, because I don't know. Because I've seen other people do their makeup for passport photos. But every time I've like clicked on their profile, they're like in the States. So I don't know what the restrictions are for Canada, but we're gonna figure it out today. Okay, still haven't received my money from LaFois. Still waiting. They're talking about still waiting to hear from a finance department, even though their business profile says they only have 2 employees. But okay, girl. Okay. All right. You know, I just mind my business. I don't bother anybody. I'm just in my own corner. But people always want to take me out of it. I don't know why. I don't understand it. It pisses me off. Now, if I say that you're a bitch, like the nut rag who gave birth to you, I'ma be in the wrong though, right? Okay, cool. Moving on. I don't get it. It don't make sense to me. Girl, can y'all see my lace? With my glasses off, you can't see it. She's there, but it's okay. Ooh, girl. We gotta clean those eyebrows. Jeez. My eyebrows go back so freaking fast. Girl, I just shaped these a week ago. What's going on? I used the OneSize Beauty Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. That's what that's called, yeah. Yeah, I used that. And then to fill in the brows, I'm gonna be using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Black. I'm a black brow girl. I don't have time to be, you know, like I don't struggle in the brow department anyways. But I do like, you know, you see how that's simple. I got a tail now. If y'all hear noise in the background, my neighbors, Jesus Christ, bless their soul. They are, I don't know, they're like in competition or something. I don't know, but they're like doing their backyards and they both don't like each other. But it's like, girl, I'm in between y'all and y'all are making noise. Like the first day they started all this, it was 7 a.m. I was ready to call the police. Cause like, why are you waking me up? I feel like 7 a.m. is too early. I feel like they're supposed to be starting at 8. I don't know, I have to look it up in my city. I got to, because girl, 7 a.m. is quite ridiculous. Okay, so I want to sheer out my foundation. We're gonna put like un poquito, just a teeny tiny bit. We're gonna do like 1.5 pumps. But here's the kicker. We're gonna add some Urban Decay All Nighter, and then I can't see. Oh, I can't see. Oh, this is terrible. What? I don't want to use that. I can't see, girl. Where the fuck are all my foundation? I don't care. What is this? I don't know. We're gonna mix it. Okay. I really can't see. This is terrible, girl. Do I got dark circles? Girl, what is that? I be sleeping. I literally woke up from a 12-hour sleep last night. I mean, this morning. We're gonna do like 2 dots of concealer. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. And then for easy blending. Yeah, but I gotta renew my passport because girl, it expires next month, at the end of next month. And I got some trips planned and I know that you can't travel like I don't think you can travel across like an ocean if your passport expires in less than 6 months. I do know that it can't expire. Yeah, it can't expire less than 6 months. So I don't want any problems. And I'm gonna have to get my passport renewed because my trip isn't until June. So, you know. And because I have CAA, I don't have to pay for passport photos. So we're gonna go to CAA before we go to the passport office. and get our pictures taken. You know, I feel much better now that I've gotten that off my chest about the flaw situation. Because as a person who gets, I don't know, I wouldn't say irrationally angry. I don't get irrationally angry. The way I react is irrational, I mean. But it takes a long time for me to get there. I'm very close with these people. This is more like a contour, so that's what I'm gonna treat it as, girl. Apply a little bit of powder. There's hair on my face. There's hair on my face. There's hair on my face. You see how clean that is? Oh, she's sharp. She's sharp. Bring the color back into the face. I kind of miss the dramatic makeup looks, but I think I'm gonna save that for like Halloween and stuff. But even for my Halloween looks, I don't have anything. Do I? I don't know. I don't know. This combo together, baby. Oh my god. Oh, I could cry. You see the flush? Okay. Time to set the face. To be really secure, so the lashes I'm gonna wear, well, the only lashes that I wear are from AliExpress. These are very, very light, but fluttery. You get me? They're in the style M59. They look like this. I don't know if y'all will be able to. Yeah, there we go. It looks like this. She's a cute girl. She's very light and fluttery. I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna do Fussy. I think I'm good. Will they send me back? Let's pray they don't, okay? Yeah. This is the final look. Obviously, if this video went live, that means that the pictures were accepted. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please try to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time, all right? Bye.